Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Google Ads account, full guide step by step clearly. To register for a Google Ads account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type ads.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, click on the Start Now button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, select Create Account and follow the instructions to set one up. After signing in, you will be taken to the Google Ads welcome page. Here, you can choose your advertising goal. Options may include getting more calls, visits to your physical location, or increased website traffic. Select the goal that aligns with your objectives. Next, enter your business information, including the name and website URL. If you don't have a site yet, you can opt to create one using Google's tools. Following this, set your target location. Decide where you want your ads to appear, whether locally or internationally. Next, choose your advertising budget. This is the amount you're willing to spend daily on ads. Once your budget is set, select your bidding strategy. You can choose options such as maximizing conversions or clicks. After this, create your first ad by entering the required information. This typically includes headlines, descriptions, and a display URL. Take your time crafting an engaging ad that captures attention. Once your ad is complete, review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, click on the Publish button to activate your account. You may need to set up a payment method to fund your advertising. Follow the prompts to enter your billing information. Once your payment details are confirmed, your Google Ads account is officially active. Congratulations, you are now ready to start advertising with Google Ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.